3525 Brunner Boulevard in the Carlson Farm neighborhood in Johnstown, northern Colorado. Everybody, this home is the complete package. Here we are out front. You'll see right away, it's got a 4-car garage. Do you know how hard it is to find a 4-car garage home in Johnstown in northern Colorado? Plus, look, it backs to HOA managed open space. And then the minute you come in, you're greeted by this architectural, take my breath away staircase. I've had a number of people walk into this house right away and go, oh my gosh, look at this staircase. I'm Realtor Robert Crow with Remax Alliance here in northern Colorado. Thanks for joining me today on this video walkthrough. I really feel like video can show way more of a home than photography. Photography is great, of course, but this gives you a true idea of what a property really is like before you come and visit it. So, as soon as you walk in, you'll notice we've got brand new carpets. The hardwood floors have been refinished. This is the office on the main level. You're greeted by French doors there that open up into this office. In fact, this is one of potentially 2 offices in the home. I'll talk to you about the other one here in a bit. But beautiful glass French doors. You're seeing those refinished hardwood floors there. Off to my left, you've got a powder room and then a tiled floor that goes into the laundry. This is the living area, the family room. That new carpet there, that's a brand new fireplace, and that whole wall, the whole back wall there has been redone, reimagined. The house was built in 2003, so it had that kind of old built-in niches behind the fireplace, very dated. Nobody puts their TV there anymore. So my current client who owns this property had all that taken care of for you. Vaulted ceilings. It's a great big space. Here is the kitchen and the dining area. I'm never going to get bored of showing you that staircase that comes around. Deck will pop outside there here in a minute. You've got a very large kitchen island. It's dual-sided, so you can put stools on either side. You'll see there's granite throughout the counters. In fact, in the bathrooms, it's all granite as well on the main and upper levels. So love the flow there. All newer stainless steel appliances. She replaced all of those in the last few years. Come on round, coat closet there. I'll take a quick peek down at the basement stairs. We'll pop down there in a short minute or two, and then come on up this staircase. Like I say, my mortgage lender actually came over to this house to see it with me. He goes, wow, look at that staircase. Don't let my wife see that. It's all open rail as well. To do that today, you know, you're looking at a $1.2, $1.3 million home. This is the primary. Vaulted ceilings again. There's an auxiliary mini split HVAC. What do they call them? Mini split air conditioning system there for you for those extra hot days. The house has air conditioning, of course. That's kind of a bonus add-on. This is the retreat off the primary. It could be that second office that I mentioned. It could be a sitting room. It could be a giant walk-in closet. That's something to think about. French doors open up into this 5-piece luxury bathroom. There's the granite, twin sinks there, up and down blinds, walk-in shower, soaking tub. There's the private water closet. This is where the traditional walk-in closet is as well. And little surprise bonus feature for you, it has heated floors in this bathroom. Don't let my wife see that because she's been asking for those in our house for years. All right, come on round. We're going to go back out through the primary. It's a huge primary. And then it's also got a coffee morning deck that looks out over the backyard and a little bit of that open space. Plenty more to show you of the backyard here in a minute, and plenty more to show you down there as well. That's a special little area off the laundry. So yep, 17 by 17 primary bedroom, plus that 10 by 13 sitting room, little office area. Like I say, I think it would make a phenomenal walk-in closet. Here is that little Romeo and Juliet balcony. If my kids were in this house, they'd be throwing paper airplanes at you. This is the first of the guest rooms. This has blackout blinds in there as well. You've got some southern exposure there, so that's really nice to have. Large closet. You've got a little linen closet to your right. There's that staircase. And then you've got a full guest bathroom. Tiled shower, tiled floors, again with the granite. You know, typically you're going to start to see laminate countertops in guest bathrooms, not in this property. And you've got twin sinks as well. There's the water closet area. And we're going to come on around and see that next guest bedroom. We've got a total of 4 bedrooms, including the primary in this property, 3 on this upper level, and then we're going to see the guest suite in the basement. That's outstanding as well. So this third bedroom, this has the best view of the bedrooms out back. Seller is going to leave all the TV mounts, which is great because nobody wants to take those TV mounts down and fill those holes in. Guess what I'm going to show you? Oh yeah, it's the staircase. All right, let's come on around. We're going to take a quick peek here at the half bathroom, what they call the powder room. Again, those floors were just refinished, literally a few days before we made this video and put the house on the market. We have a tile floor in the laundry, and then we have both a wash tub style sink and then upper and lower cabinets. And then here is your 4-car garage. Not a 4-car tandem. It is 4 spaces side by side, divided by a wall. It's insulated too, and it's as clean as a whistle. This second bay over here has built-in shelving, which is great for all your gardening tools. There's a service door there to go out back. But oh my gosh, what I wouldn't do for a 4-car garage. Off the laundry room, this is what I call the dog run. You've got an iron fence there. You've got custom stamped concrete pathways. There's that coffee deck. And this all comes off that laundry. It's so great. If you've got pets and they want to go out to the potty during the day or at night, they pop out through the dog door. And then this is the pathway that takes you down into the backyard. The cellar has dog-friendly edging all the way around. My dogs have cut their paws once or twice on the edging in our backyard, so that's really nice to have. Back inside, I think we're going to pop down to the basement here. This basement was finished in 2014. Half of it's finished, half of it's unfinished for storage. This is very much like an in-law suite, a guest suite. Maybe you have teenagers, maybe you have family come to stay. This is phenomenal because it's a daylight basement, so it doesn't feel like you're underground. All the light comes in. This is the sitting area. There's even a gas fireplace. And look at that nice touch. You've got the French doors there with the glass in it. It's been done in a way that you don't feel like you're underground, and I love that. Through more French glass doors, that's a queen bed. We've got the closet over there, and then behind us we've got a 3/4 bathroom. There's your view out the window, and then we'll pop into the bathroom here so you can see that. I'm a little ahead of myself, aren't I? And we'll pop into the bathroom. So there is obviously your sink. You've got a walk-in shower and you've got the toilet. And this can also be accessed through the unfinished area as well, which is a nice feature. But that walk-in shower has nice tile, 2-headed shower there. Not your typical afterthought basement bathroom. It's definitely been done in a very professional manner. Right, we're going to go back through the bedroom. And that living area, note the fireplace there again, through the double doors and into the storage part of the basement. Definitely not your average unfinished area. You have 9-foot ceilings. The floors have been painted. That's a really nice little touch. Makes it much less basement-y feeling, I guess. You've got an egress window just behind me, and then behind those curtains that you saw is additional built-in storage. That's a really nice and thoughtful feature. You've got additional storage areas behind those louvered doors. That's the door that takes you to the bathroom. I mentioned that to you earlier. And then here we are in the utility room. Lennox furnace and a almost new Nivian on-demand, I should say tankless water heater. They don't want us to say on demand. And then here's a cool little nook under the stairs. That could be a wine room where you put more of your storage items. Back out on the deck, raised off the ground. The boards in the deck was just repainted. And then here you have your fabulous backyard. You've got a great little stamped concrete fire pit patio area towards the back. The fencing there, it's double layer. So you've got the neighbor's fence, and then my client put their own fence in as well. So very, very sturdy. And there's a gate that takes you out to that HOA managed area. Now people get nervous when they see this. They think, well, will a builder build back there? No, that is owned and managed by the HOA. That can't happen. Here we are, last shot of the house. Look at those giant windows. You see the daylight basement there. And we're going to finish up in the drone, giving you that aerial shot of the property and the surrounding neighborhood. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor here in Northern Colorado with RE/MAX Alliance. Thanks for joining me today on a walking tour of my new listing at 3525 Brunner Boulevard in Johnstown, Colorado. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for your feedback. It's always appreciated. And as always, have a smashing day.